Okay guys, I'm here at the cooking class and go check Manda. I'm the only one. Just me and you. Okay, let's run through the ingredients. Fijian Kokoda. So preparation 15 minutes. 1 kg fresh walu, Spanish mackerel, mahi-mahi, dolphin, mange, snapper, juice of 10 lime and 3 lemons. Wait, what's the difference? 2 medium-sized onion, finely diced. 3 red chilies. 2 cups finely chopped tomatoes. 5 spring onions. Small bunch of coriander leaves. 4 cups of coconut milk, sea salt, lime wedge to serve. Wait, katsi, ngori. Screenshot. So here you have it. Cucumber, tomato, molly, or lime, spring onion, ground pepper, salt, sea salt. Na cucumber. Kari sa andun. Ayo sarang only guest. Mode.
Bula! Welcome to the cooking demo this afternoon. So today you're gonna learn how to make kokonda. So this kokonda is similar to ceviche. So preparation time is only 15 minutes.
Oh, I have it here.
Oh, okay, sorry. Ingredient: 1 kg of fresh walu, Spanish mackerel, mahi-mahi, dolphin fish or snapper fillet, juice of 10 lime and 3 lemon juice, 2 medium size of onion fine dice, now 2 cups of chopped tomato, 5 spring onion, and a small bunch of coriander. So American they call cilantro.
Cilantro.
Yes. 4 cups of coconut milk, sea salt, and the lemon wedges.
So guys, this is Reama again from the cooking class on the last vlog, curry. And thank you for all those who have commented, who have watched the video of the roti and curry. Chicken, boneless chicken. So now we are doing kokonda for the day. Okay, Reama, over to you again.
So first thing we have to do in the morning, the person who do the butcher, he or her, so first thing he has to do, he has to cut the fish, fillet the fish, take out the skin, take out the bloodline and the blood clot, wash it through with water first. Before you cut it, you have to wash it through with water. When you wash it finish, you have to cut it strips, long strips. Then you have to cut it into cubes.
Okay.
When you cut the fish finish, you have to put it in one bowl or basin. Then you have to marinate with salt. Then you have to squeeze your lime and your lemon juice.
Okay.
So the lemon juice and the lime juice, it will secure the fish and make the fish cook.
Naka.
Yeah. When you marinate the lemon juice and the lime juice and the salt, you have to cover with the glad wrap or the foil.
Okay.
Don't put it straight in the fridge. If you put it straight in the fridge, the fish won't cook.
Nice.
You have to put it outside.
Outside temperature.
Yes, room temperature. So after 2-3 hours, check your fish when the fish is cooked. So the flesh will be like this. So no need to cook the hot water and blanch that fish in that hot water. Okay. So the lemon juice
will cook it for you.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
So when you see the fish is cooked, you have to strain that water out. Then rewash it again with running water.
Okay.
Strain it. Let it dry, then put it in one bowl. Then you have to add all your ingredients.
Okay. Here you have the ingredients, eh?
Yes. So this is the fresh coconut. So every day we have to scrape the coconut. We normally use our hand.
Hand scraper.
Yes.
So this from Soso coconut, eh? Anyway.
This is the fresh coconut.
Akan dua.
So that 1 dozen of coconut, only 4 cups of water. 1 dozen of coconut, only 4 cups of water.
4 cups of water.
So that's why the coconut milk
So
is
thick.
nice and thick.
Yeah, nice and thick. Okay. And here?
So this one is similar to ceviche, but ceviche you have to keep the juice. You have to serve it together with the juice, but Kokoda you have to strain that water out. That lemon and lime juice. So if you don't have any lemon and lime juice back at home, you can use white vinegar.
White vinegar, okay.
Yes.
So what you adding now?
So that's the tomato and the cucumber, the spring onion, pinch of black pepper, salt, and last coconut milk.
Your lolo.
Lolo. So now the kokonda is ready. You can enjoy your kokonda party.
So that fast. Guys, that fast. Only it takes time is the marination.
Marination and scrap the coconut.
Yeah.
We have to
Coconut, when everything is ready, it's just within seconds, not even a minute. Just add everything,
and mix it together.
mix it together. Then you can have some moli or chili. Yeah, I'll put it in the bowl. I'll put it in a bowl so that Connie too wants to eat. Yeah, and maybe the rest of the staff, the F&B or ground man, they are clearing everything because of the cyclone. Yeah. Okay, guys, now we have to dish our kokonda. This will be also the foundation for grog. So we are fortunate, we are happy to have one of the well-known band or artists here in Fiji. So one of the member is here working at Paradise Cove, Vinosi, which we've met. You would have seen it, I interviewed him. Yeah, Vinosi is well-known for singing in the Vieni Tembara band. So add some more chili and moli. Okay, try manda. Okay, masuk. Mas kurang ni bakal ngat kami sul-sul ko kanin bulat ni ang sisul bakal bulat ini. Okay, mai try manda. Buah. 10 out of 10. Nagarama. So vinaka Chef Reama some cassava chips here, fried cassava and dalo that to go with the kokonda. I would add some more chili because it's cold. Ano mondulu eh?
Ano mundo.
Naka Chef Reama.
Nakapate.
How long have you been in the kitchen, Chef Reama?
I've been working here for 6 years,
Oh,
so I'm a single mother.
yes,
Yeah, I'm just working here just for the sake of my kids.
What's your dream? What's your biggest dream?
So my biggest dream is to be a head chef.
Where? Local, overseas.
Local. Sarauta.
Naka.
Chloe, kanta pa ka siguro.
Would you like to say? Can you say? You want to say Mbula to someone?
No.
Reda, your last video, Luka Bolobola was commenting.
Even he's my brother. No.
You have to say hi to your brother. Karua, Chef Reama. Say hi to your brother.
Kalau binariki maya luke. Iya, kaya ni ba kita tayo.
Arnan ra kendo merah.
Hey.
Ini. Biscuit ya? Biscuit melama ta? Yeah, these guys missed the Kokoda which I bought, the big bowl from the cooking class. So now they're enjoying it. It's good for this weather, eh? Good food for this weather. Obi, pick.